What's up, guys? Glad you could join me today. Kind of have a quick unplanned video that I'm doing because I was headed out today. I was going to do a ride, a little Zen ride that I record, just sound so you guys can, watch and listen. And I did the entire ride. And when I was finished, I shut my GoPro off. I went to shut my microphone off, and I noticed the microphone itself was already off. So I said, what the hell? I rode for 30 minutes. I got 30 seconds worth of sound and it shut off. So what I'm having is I have this H4 Essential here, and I'm finding very quickly that this is not really designed for what I'm using it for riding out on the motorcycle. The sound is okay, sounds not bad, but it's very bulky first of all, and it just keeps on these buttons here. These are the microphone buttons. I find that while I'm riding, if I hit a bump or anything comes into contact with this, it just shuts the microphone off. The entire ride is wasted. So that's happened to me about 2 or 3 times already. So today I said, you know what, enough, no more. I'll probably just sell this thing, get rid of it. But I had to get something. I wanted something smaller that I might be able to, fit in my pocket. So I was looking at DJI mics and Rode mics, and they had DJI 1, DJI 2. Those were kind of out of what I wanted to spend, $300-400. That's not what I want to do. So I just went to my local Best Buy, just browsing around, and I found this here, the Rode Wireless Micro. I said, you know what? I'm gonna give it a shot. So this is gonna be a very raw video. I know nothing about this. I'm gonna learn as I go. I'm gonna take it out of the box, set it up, and learn as I go. Hopefully this is going to be good for what I'm trying to use it for. I know it connects to my phone. Hopefully I can get the audio from my phone to my PC to do some editing and all that, but we'll find out. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this microphone in several different places and just see how it sounds best. I'm going to put it in my back pocket, probably in my front right pocket. I have a backpack, I'll throw it in there. I might even try to, I'm not sure if I can do that. It has clips, but I'm going to try to see if I can get it on the motorcycle somewhere. Maybe get that sound and see how that goes. But yeah, apologies if it's a raw video, and because I don't really know much. I'm no expert on it, so you can learn with me as I go. But yeah, I'm gonna head outside and get this thing tested. Let's go. This is by no means at all designed for the purpose I just used it for. It's not made for recording motorcycle exhausts or anything like that. It's definitely geared towards content creators on TikTok and things like that. You need to plug it into your phone, which is not a problem. But what I found the problem is there's no option to record only audio. So you need to actually record a video as well while you're recording the audio from the microphone. So what I had to do is I just set my phone so that it didn't lock in my pocket, and I pressed record, and it was recording the video as well as the audio. So I just had to keep my phone in my pocket. Absolutely destroyed my phone battery, made it really hot, things like that. So it's not designed for it, but I did find a workaround. And then to get the sound from my phone to my computer so I can edit it in DaVinci Resolve was another nightmare as well. But I figured it all out. Anyways, we'll talk about that after. Let's get to hearing the sounds and see what you guys think. All right, guys, I'm going to quickly show you here how I got the files from my phone over to my PC. And to do that, I had an app called VLC that you can see there. It's shaped like a safety cone. You have to download VLC, and then you just go over and you go into your road capture app, open that up. I'm not going to give a VLC kind of tutorial here because it's pretty in-depth. You can definitely look that up online, but essentially you have a VLC app on your phone. Then you go to your PC, there's a website you type in, it's like the 192.168 and all that. It opens up a page on your PC as well, and it goes from this VLC on your app. You can download it from your phone to your PC, but that's something you're gonna have to look up. But anyways, you'll go here, bottom left to your videos. These here are the videos I took today. Just click on one of the videos here. Okay, and you hit share. Give it a minute to load. VLC. So now it's in VLC. It's this one here. So now I would just go to my PC, open up that website that VLC will instruct you to open when you research it. And you can it'll show up on your PC and you can download it from your phone to your PC. I'm terrible at explaining this, so just watch a video on it and I'm sure you'll see it better. So this here is just what the PC screen looks like. These are the videos I have on the VLC app on my phone. If I refresh it, this one just popped up. Which one is right front pocket? This is the one over here that I'm going to do next. You just click it and it auto downloads. Then it's in your files and you can move it to DaVinci Resolve or whatever your program is that you need to. And that's it. That's simple. Well, as you can see, guys, the sun's down. It's been a very long day. I just got through reviewing all the footage, all the sounds, and honestly, I think there's obviously one clear winner here. And I think you guys would probably agree. That's where the clip where I pinned the microphone to the outside frame right above the exhaust. Obviously, the only problem with that, I'm scared to death that if I hit a bump, too many bumps, that thing's gonna loosen up and fall off. I'm gonna lose it forever. And honestly, I probably will. It wasn't on there very tight. So I think what I'm gonna try to do is find somewhere else to really clip it in there. The thing I had it on, it didn't have much grip, but that's fine. The sound for that was just excellent. I think it was just an excellent sound. If I can't find somewhere to more securely clip it on or some other way to secure it there, I'll probably just go with the back pocket, to be honest. That didn't sound much worse, but man, that sound right above, it was probably about 8 inches above the exhaust, right where the sound came out. That was just incredible. So yeah, I'm gonna do my best to try to get it there on, you know, my future little Zen ride videos that I put out there. Pretty much ASMR, just riding videos. Obviously the sound for that is important, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Not a terrible microphone. It's obviously not made for the purpose I'm using it for, but we figured it out. And I think it's a step up from the Zoom. Not to bash on Zoom, that's another great microphone. Just way too bulky and absolutely not made for the purpose I was using it for. But yeah, with that said, I do think I'll keep this and try to figure out a way to get it secured to the outside of the bike. All right, guys, subscribe, like. If you don't want to, you don't have to. If you do, you do. I'm tired. Have a good night. I'll see you guys next time.